Hey guys, welcome back with another brand video. Guys, in this video we will discuss how can you update or change your control center of your iPhone or iPad to latest iOS 18 version. So you may check, guys, I am using iOS 18 control center. So how can you do it? So simply, guys, you may just go back and first of all you may just open the settings of your iPhone or iPad, and guys, you will make sure that you have an active internet connection. After this, guys, the option of VPN, if there is any connected VPN, you may disconnect it. Then guys, you may go back and you may just open any browser, and in search bar you may write here betaprofiles.dev. So you may open this website, then you may scroll it down, and here you may click here on public, and then click here on install profile, and click here on allow, and guys, you may download or install iOS 18 profile from here. Then guys, you may go back and you may open settings again, and here is the option of profile downloaded. So you may click here and you may install that profile from here. So you may click here on install and install your iOS 18 profile. Then guys, you may go back again and you may open settings again and click here on general and click here on software update, and guys, you may update your iPhone or iPad to the latest iOS 18 version. After updating, then guys, you may go back and you may click here and scroll it down, and then you may check as your control set will be updated to latest iOS 18. So by all these methods you can fix it very easily. So this is the video, guys. For more videos please subscribe our channel.